Hey guys, alright, I want to give you a little update. I want to make me a little mounting piece out of some more of the scrap wood I bring home from work. But I got the little remote and everything mounted here, and I've already got the cable and everything. It looks like a regular telephone wire, cable and everything. Let's come over here. I'll show you that, yes, I do have it hooked up. I use the cables and everything that they sent. So I already got it hooked up here. I don't have my covers put on yet, but there's a positive. And then I got my negative already hooked up. But as you can tell, it's not on. So let's go over here to the remote and we'll turn it on. So it's in the off position. So now, oh, I like that. So right there, it's saying I got 13 volts, that everything is working good, battery level is up. So I've got 119 volts. Okay, there's nothing, no load and everything on it. So let's go over here. And it's, unfortunately, you'll have to kind of turn your head sideways, but it's still saying, let's see if this will work. Yeah, 13, 118, so, yeah, there you go. Now, I've got a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, and I am still, I love this. In fact, I'm 13.1 volts, and even though it's kind of getting dark, still pulling almost half an amp, which is still not bad for this time of the day and this time of the year. So, there you go. Got some of the other stuff, which I've got up there on my little shelf. So I've got some of the wiring and stuff like that, but that's all for the solar. But there you go. Now I've got, if I need to plug in something, I've got 110 volt with no problem. I've still got my little Lavelle there that it is plugged in, and it's been charged. We'll turn it on. And right now, yeah, it's showing it's at 100%. And then down here, I got the Blue Eddy. See how much power it's got. And it's sitting at 100%. Nothing going out, nothing has to come in because it's sitting there. You can see the cable there. And it's actually right there, coming around. And it's actually plugged in on the fuse block. And then these two wires here, excuse me, that's actually the wires coming around, plugging in on the Lavelle. So if I need power, I got power on this one, got power on the Blue Eddy, and I've got the 2000 watt inverter. Alright guys, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that bell. Later guys.
This how sorry this thing is. It won't even heat up my kettle. Please don't buy this belt. And it's the 2000 watt. 2000 watt. Fan kicks on and off. It's crazy. All that money for what? Y'all can't even power up a kettle? Look at this. Come on, man.
And this is when I try to power my microwave.